Vince here. Today I'm bringing you this video to warn you about an influx of cryptocurrency scam applications that are absolutely flooding the Google Play Store right now. If you didn't know, guys, since the pandemic started, essentially most money-making applications really gained popularity because people were desperate to earn money from home. So then some really low-life characters got together and figured that they can make money by scamming you guys out there into watching endless loops of advertisements on their fake money-making applications. Now, we've seen multiple variations of fake money-making applications, including the fake PayPal currency ones, the fake free item ones, where they promise to give you a brand new Tesla if you watch enough advertisements, or perhaps they'll give you some brand new shoes or a flat screen TV if you watch enough advertisements. We've even seen scam apps that have promised to give you in-game currency and skins if you watch enough advertisements on their application. The problem is, everyone, roughly 99% of these applications are complete trash and scams, usually in early access so people can't actually see the review. And if they're not in early access, they buy the 5-star reviews. You see, there is literally minimal regulation on the Google Play Store, if any. When you get scammed by these type of applications, no one is there to help you. That's why I'm making today's video to warn you about a whole new generation of scam apps hitting the Google Play Store again. And to bring in 2022, we have the new cryptocurrency scam applications. It seems these scammers have finally caught on that more people are playing cryptocurrency applications as time goes on. So they decided to create at least 50 to 100 of these fake scam applications, all with the exact same type of setup with different names. All they've actually done is taken old concepts of scam applications, replaced the PayPal and Amazon format, and then just inserted cryptocurrency and Coinbase icons. These are the most low-tier factory recycled applications that you can imagine, but the sad thing is, they're still managing to trick people out there and believe that Google would actually protect them against these type of scam applications. But until any type of regulation actually exists on the Google Play Store, we're all exposed to this absolute garbage. I've recently seen applications like Bitcoin to Moon, Royal Miner, Chip Ocean, Bitcoin Cut Master, Bitcoin 2048, Bitcoin Cash Tree, BTC Linked, Dice Garden War. I played every single one of these trash applications and they are all the exact same concept. Watch advertisements to apparently earn thousands and thousands of dollars of cryptocurrency in 5 minutes. It's a complete joke, and every single one of these applications has one of those ad paywalls where they say, okay, you've just redeemed your order, so now you have to watch another 30 to 100 advertisements to activate the order. Then once you do that, they put more ads up on the screen for you to watch. It's an endless loop, guys. These developers have even gone that extra mile to steal the design of icons of legitimate applications, and then they add their little logo in it, and they change slightly the font on it. It's ridiculous. I swear to God, everyone, every 6 months or so, I come back on this channel to warn you about a new wave of scam applications that are constantly being allowed on the Google Play Store. Please, for the love of God, be safe out there. If you want to see legitimate applications that pay, check out my channel. I have a whole playlist with over 100 different platforms that have paid me. The best thing is, guys, on these videos, I show the payment proof because I've actually sat through these applications and platforms and used them all the way until the payment point to really test them. I can't stress it enough. Please be careful out there. There are so many scams and gimmicks around. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'll catch you all in the next few days, guys. See you next time.